Hi everyone, welcome back to Armcandy. We have got a beautiful Mulberry Bayswater for you today. So this is a Mulberry Bayswater in the colour Summer Khaki, and this colour is just gorgeous. It's a really nice kind of pale khaki green with this gorgeous gold hardware as well. And I really like the turn lock on here. So usually on the Mulberry Bayswater you'd see that Mulberry postman's lock just here, but I like this kind of hidden leather postman's lock. I think it looks really cool, especially in this lovely slouchy leather as well. So I'm going to talk you through all the features. We've got double top handles and 4 base studs along the bottom, and then we've got the flap closure. You can see this little Mulberry padlock here, that is removable, so you can see it's not actually got a key to it. It's one that you just pull out and then it just pops back in like that. And then this flap closure has that turn lock fasten, and inside here you have got one zipped pocket at the back. You can see that Mulberry zip pull there, and then we've got 2 flap pockets, one here, and on the front of this flap pocket we've got the Mulberry badge with the little Mulberry tree tag, and that has got the serial code along the back of that as well. The condition of it is really nice. We've called the exterior very good. Most of the leather is in a very nice condition. You can see that it does have a very slouchy texture to it anyway, but you can see that despite that, the shape is still really nice. There's just a little bit of wear to these corners, so you can see very slightly where that green colour has just started to wear a little bit. So on this front corner here, and on this front one as well. These back corners are actually still in a very nice condition. You can see they are still intact and very nice, and the rest of it, all of the base, all of that leather is really nice, and the handles as well are in a very nice condition. So that is why we called the exterior very good. It's just really for that little bit of wear on those front 2 corners. And then the hardware, again, we've called very good. It's a beautiful shiny gold toned hardware, which I think looks really nice with this summer khaki colour. But this padlock is really nice. You can see there's no noticeable wear to that at all. This turn lock is really nice. There is a little bit of wear to the base studs, so right in the middle of them, that gold tone has just started wearing away a little bit, and you can see a little bit of silver coming through, but there isn't much scratching to them at all. And then if I open it up, you can see inside. So this actually still has its plastic seal on, so that's in a very nice condition. So that is why we've called the hardware very good condition. And then the interior, again, we've called very good, and that's mostly just for this flap closure. It's beautiful summer khaki coloured suede lining inside here, but you can see on the flap closure you just got a little bit of fraying on that suede, but the rest of it is perfect. There's no marks for me to show you in there, and it is immaculate on the inside, other than that little bit of fraying on the suede on the flap closure. So that is the condition of this Mulberry Bayswater. I'm going to show you what it comes with. So we have this Handbag Angels handbag liner, and that's got a few pockets in it as well, and this is really handy actually because it is a lovely slouchy leather. If you prefer a little bit more of a relaxed look, then that's perfect, but if you prefer a bit more of a structured bag, if you're using it for work or something like that, pop this in and it will keep that shape really nicely, and it will just give it a little bit more structure as well. So that's a cool little addition. And then we've got a couple of Mulberry bits as well. So we have Mulberry card sleeve, as well as the Mulberry product tag, and then we've got the Mulberry care card as well. And then finally we've got a nice big Mulberry dust bag to keep that lovely condition protected in storage. So that is everything that it comes with. Make sure to have a look at this Mulberry Bayswater on armcandybagco.com. If you would like to do that, you can go to the link in the description below. Click that, it should hopefully take you straight to this on our website. If it does, that's perfect, it means it's still available. Get in there, get it into the cart where you still can. But if you get to that link and it just takes you to our generic product page, that does mean it has sold. But it is a beautiful bag, so if you have missed out on it this time, we do have a request list. So all you've got to do is send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. Let us know that you'd like one of these, we'll get you on the request list, and then we'll let you know as soon as we have in another one. I'm going to show you the size on me for reference before you do that though. So with those double top handles, you can pop it on your arm like that. And I'm just in love with this colour. It's so gorgeous, especially in this lovely soft leather. It's really, really nice. It would make a good everyday tote, make a good work tote, fit a laptop in here as well. And another feature, which I forgot to show you to begin with, but inside here, we have got 2 internal buckles to adjust those side gussets. So if you like to wear it a little bit wider or a little bit more cinched, you've got that option as well. So have a look at it on armcandybagco.com. Don't forget to sign up to our newsletter while you're on there, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code to use on your first purchase, which could be this, so make sure you get that discount code. Also have a look at the How to Sell With Us page if you're interested in selling your pre-loved designer bags. If you have any beautiful bags like this one that you're looking to sell, all the details you need to know about the process of selling with us are on that page. So have a read through there, and we'll be back very soon with some more gorgeous bags.